Hello friends, this is Abhishek. Welcome to my channel IHM Goals. Today we'll study set 5 for NSTET coming examination. These questions will also help you in your NCHMCT examination as well as various interview for IHM faculty members. So here we start with first question. A hotel with rooms depicting individual theme based interior is A. Heritage Hotel, B. L'Hotel, C. Boutique Hotel, D. Transit Hotel. So the correct answer is C. Boutique Hotel. As we know, a boutique hotel is a type of a hotel where all the rooms are based on different theme. The interior of all the rooms are different from each other, may have a different variety of interior from different sections of the world or in India. So basically all the hotel rooms doesn't look similar, they are having different theme and interior. Next question. Paging is done during which stage of the guest cycle? A. Pre-arrival, B. Arrival, C. Stay, D. Departure. So what is a paging? So it is a term associated with the front office where the front office, if it needs to find a guest or pass a message to a particular guest, in those days when there were no mobile phones and no point of contact was available, in those days generally a GRE, a bellboy or a concierge would carry a board with guest name and room number, and he would go to different areas of the hotel premises and look for the guest. In that case, guest looks at the page and understand that there is a message or front office need to meet the guest. So what is the second thing of the question is, what is guest cycle? So we know the guest arrival happens in 4 stages. There is a pre-arrival stage where a confirmed reservation is made, where guest partially or full payment he makes for his stay. Then there is arrival stage where guest arrives at the hotel and checking is made, the room is allotted. Third is a stay where guest stays with the hotel for whatever number of days, and then finally there is a departure and checkout happens. So in which stage this paging would happen? So the correct answer would be C. During guest stay only we would look for the guest. That is, the paging happens in that stage. Now we have mobile phones, we can directly call the guest. Third question. The rate below which a room will not be sold on a given day. The correct this question was asked in NSTET 17 as well as in 2020, which is this year the NSTET happens in the month of Feb. Same question was again repeated. The options are present rate, B. rack rate, C. hurdle rate, D. none of above. So the correct answer would be C. hurdle rate, below which a GRE or a front office attendant cannot sell the room for that particular day. We already know there is a calculation made, after which calculation a room rate is decided for a particular day depending on various factors. Moving to the next question. The conscious business decision to move an internal work to an external services provider is known as A. insourcing, B. outsourcing, C. janitor services, D. horticulture. So the correct answer would be option B, outsourcing. So here what happens is that instead of a hotel HR going everywhere and hiring, taking interviews, they hire a third party or collaborate with a third party, where the third party takes care of all the recruitment, salary, everything, all the official work of a particular staff or employee is taken care by the third party. So all the data work will be done by third party and everything will be finally submitted to the HR. So basically it clears the burden of HR. So correct answer would be outsourcing. Next, which of the following is not a member of HRACC? A. representative of IATA, which is International Air Transport Association. B. representative of FHRAI, which is Federation of Hotel and Restaurant Association of India. A representative of a Thai travel. This is, I forgot this term, you can Google it. D is principal of IHM. So what would be the correct answer for this? The correct answer would be A. That is representative of IATA, is not a member of HRACC. Next, what does ROTEL stand for? Hotel on wheel, hotel on boat, floating hotels, the hotels near highway. And the correct answer would be, it's a hotel on wheels. It's called hotels. There are different bus services, train services, in which a guest can move to a different city. These transport services like bus and trains provide a luxury stay for the guest. You can also Google the examples for them, and very important question. Next, physically handicapped guest will fall under which of the following categories? A. VP, B. CIP, C. SPAT, D. DG. We know during the classification of a 5-star hotel, it is a mandatory to have some room reserved, and the interior of the room should be fit for a special category guest or physically challenged guest. So what is the term for this? So correct answer would be C, SPAT. It's a special attention guest. Next, a coat texture is given to a detergent by adding a starch powder, chalk powder, bleaching powder, D. pumic powder. So the correct answer is D. This we have already discussed in the last video. So I will move. A night auditor check off a room rate posting on a guest folio against a registration card. A. room rate check, B. rate check, C. room check, D. bucket check. So as we know, in front office, before the closing of the day, a night auditor would check all the transaction. He would make sure that all the transaction for the day is already posted, and he cross checks these things. So so this is the term that he is checking the posting of a room rate depending upon the registered arrival for the day. So it is the bucket check. He generally have a list of checklist generally he carries, where he checks all these things are done or not before he audits for the day. So the correct answer would be D, bucket check. D. Whitney slips are also known as A, Vinay slip, B, Shannon slips, C, reservation slip, D, rack slip. So the correct answer is B, Shannon slip. This question was also asked in NSTT. The physical evidence in the hospitality and tourism services doesn't include A, facility designing, B, service quality, C, equipment, D, signage. And the correct answer would be the service which doesn't include. And the correct answer would be B. So we don't have any physical evidence for service quality. We don't have any proof or something to show that our service is good or bad. So it's an intangible thing. So moving to the next. The rest of the things like facility design we can touch and understand. We have evidence proof for that, and equipment can also be seen, touched and felt. A signage, which is a kind of a logo or a different advertisement related to a particular brand, that can also be seen, felt, touched, made. But a service quality cannot be physically manifested. Tourism market segment can be done on the basis of A, place of origin of the tourist, B, destination, C, purpose of tour like a holiday, pilgrimage, sightseeing, all of above. So almost all options are correct. While making a tourism marketing segment, all these factors are very important when we decide any tourism place. So the correct answer would be D, all of above. Which is not a characteristic of hospitality services? A, tangibility, B, heterogeneity, C, inseparability, D, perishability. So like in the previous question, we have already discussed this thing. So correct answer would go A, tangibility. So which of the following characteristic is not hospitality service? So hospitality service is not tangible. Again, it cannot be seen, touched or made. Rest of the three options are characteristic of market segment. These questions are from market segment of hospitality sector. So moving further, the 4 P's of marketing doesn't include A, product, process, price, promotion, and the correct answer would be B. So process is not among 4 P's of marketing. It is product, price, place and promotion. So this is again the question from marketing part of tourism. So 15, the last question of the video. CPM is the project management stands for. Came in the NSTT 18. A, constructive path method, B, critical path method, C. Conductive path method. D. Collaborative path method. And the correct answer would be B. The CPM stands for critical path method. So that's all for the question section, and I have a small set of notes. So SPAT, this question we have already seen in the initial stage of this video. A special attention guest rooms for physically challenged guests. What is a transit hotel? So a transit hotel is generally a hotel which is located near airports, where guest stays for shorter period of time. So for example, if there is a layover or for some kind of a reason, guest has to stay at the airport, so either airlines or the guest itself make himself comfortable at a hotel for shorter period of a time, maybe half of the day or maybe hourly basis, depending upon the next next air facility when he has. What is a heritage hotel? Another very important question. For classification of heritage hotels in India, we do have a particular association who look after the classification, maintenance of these heritage hotels. So depending upon the classification, we have three different type of hotels, three different type of heritage hotels. So first one is a heritage hotel or heritage basics. So these are the hotels or the monuments which are now converted into hotels, who are built after 1950s. So those hotels or monuments or villa forts who are built before 1950 and as per the committee approval satisfy all the criteria of a 5-star hotel, heritage hotel. So they are called heritage basic hotel or heritage hotel. So minimum they should have 5 rooms. A heritage classic, so these are the hotels which are built between 1935 to 1950 and they should have minimum 15 rooms, that is at least accommodation for 30 guests. The third is Grand Heritage Hotel. These are the hotels which are built before 1935 and they should also have minimum 15 rooms, which is accommodation for 30 guests. So this is all for the day. I'm sure you find this video worth. Please let us know and subscribe to our channel, share ahead. Thank you so much for watching this video.